Let's take a look at the S&P 500. What happened in the market today? First, we're going to look at the weekly chart. Going to keep this video nice and short. So here's this little candlestick starting for today, and Monday is a new week. You can see 1, 2, 3 of the last 4 weeks been bumping right up against this resistance, right around 42.08. Okay, we got a May 28th cycle low. For those not familiar with cycles, you can see here where this arc comes together with this arc. Price comes down, right? Here, same thing. Here. Here. Now this one you can tell hasn't really come down very much. So like I've been saying the last few days, I don't think we're going to see a really big pullback here. We may get down to 40.62. We'll look at the daily. There's a couple other support numbers there we'll look at. Even right in this area, 41.20 on the bottom of that candlestick, about 41.12 on the bottom of that one. So still think this is maybe possible. We'll keep an eye on what's going on here. Okay, let's look at the daily chart. There is some divergence going on here too as well with the weekly chart for both the SMI and the Big Daddy forecast. Okay. By the way, these, well, not this chart specifically. Let's go to the daily chart here. Switch to the daily drawing set. So here on the daily, that's that candlestick right there. Again, you can see these last 3 days just hitting right up against this 42.08 area, having a hard time getting through it. Here's the May 28th low. Here's some supports I think are probably obtainable once this starts to decline. 41.12, 40.76. Those I believe are the nearest supports that we'll probably see. Okay, some little bit of divergence going on here too as well in the daily on the SMI. So I still think this is possible. We could definitely keep a close eye on this. But so far, even though it's just the beginning of the week, kind of, just seeing maybe this candlestick here was the peak before the decline down into the May 28th cycle low. Okay, let's look at the trade of the day. Now, here we are on the 5-minute chart. The range today was pretty small. The total range for the whole day, I think, was about 35. So really small day. You can see how choppy this entire day was, yeah? This is all intraday right here. Look how choppy this is. Just a choppy mess. But there was some trades in here, believe it or not. So I'll talk about 2 trades today. One was right here, this trade right here. The members, by the way, this chart right here gets streamed live to the members, the 5, the 15, and the 1 hour. So they get this chart streamed live. And they get these alerts like this one right here. And that came in right here, guys. Well, look at that alert. On the Giddus Plus indicator, it's my own indicator. Okay. Look at this alert. Wow. Talk about awesome timing right there. I mean, even if you got in at the close, 42.06, up to about maybe 42.10, a good 4 points, maybe 5 points. On a day like today with small range, man, 5 points is a nice scalp. I mean, you're talking about, 1/7 of the total range of the day right here, right? Picking up that 5-point scalp right here, pretty nice. There were a couple other ones in here that were pretty decent. This one right here that came in, obviously translate into a nice trade if you wanted to catch that as well. But the real one of the day was actually this evening star on the 5-minute chart. Now we had divergence warnings right here on the Stochastic Momentum Index. This divergence logic is my own logic that I put into the SMI. And man, perfect. Look at this divergence starting to show up. We get this evening star, and from there it's, as soon as you get this candlestick right here, you're taking a short side trade. Beautiful. Right? So for you members who want to, you want to know, are there times that you can place a trade based on the streaming charts other than just alerts? Yeah, you want to be looking for things like evening star doji. Well, I shouldn't say doji. Evening star is kind of we wouldn't call this gravestone at the top, but this is definitely an evening star. and you want to be looking for divergence on the SMI. If you get something like that, you need to be paying close attention because it's very likely the price is going to decline, right? So everything in here is giving you all the signals you need to make this trade. Really nice, right? From probably about 41.16-ish all the way down to maybe 42.05. Looking at, you know, whatever, 10 to 11 points there. Maybe even you only catch 10 of it. It's still real nice, right? You catch 4 or 5 of it here, 10 there, 15 points out of a total of 35 for the whole day. Man, you're catching, you know, not half of it, but almost half of the entire range of the day on a small day like that. That's really awesome. So here all the alerts are coming for the entire day, right? Just different alerts coming in throughout the entire day. So the members get these alerts. Okay, there's some 1 hour alerts in here. You got 5-minute alerts going on there like we just saw on the chart. All right. You also have for gold. So for those that want to trade, you know, some of the commodities, you can. Crude oil, top 30 stocks on both the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ are in this channel right here. Today we actually got a daily alert. I have some members that do swing trades. You know, they're not really trading intraday stuff. They want swing trades. So we got daily alerts on some of the top 30 stocks that came in today, INTU and J&J. Okay, because one of my members here was like, yay. So, you know, you got a lot of different choices and how you want to trade. Crude oil came in here, right? So if you like what you're seeing in this video, just click on the link in the first comment of this video. It'll take you to this Discord server, which is, you know, the Getis server. All right. What you're going to do is you're going to click on server subscriptions right here. You get this page right here. And here you go, guys and gals, $7.99. Okay, this is everything you get on the service, everything in this rectangle. Okay, this is what's on the Getis membership, and it all resides in the Discord server, okay? The YouTube videos, like I said before, this is just for me conveying my opinions about the market every day with both the members and the general public, but what you really get is all this right here. All right, so just pause the video and read this. You get the streaming charts, like I said, the S&P 500. You get the S&P 500 top, you get the streaming charts and the alerts for the S&P 500. You get the top 30 stocks. So you can read it and just pause it. Everything you get here is send out nightly emails. There's premium symbols. Okay, you get all that. All right, and the last thing I wanted to show you was this 1 hour alert that came in. Let's see, this came in. I see, what time was it? It was at 5 a.m. in the morning. Look at that alert right there. My goodness, what a beautiful alert. It's right on that little skeleton doji. Okay, right there. And man, now admittedly that's a tough trade to make, but nevertheless, look at this. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. If you're up early riser, you're getting an alert like this. You take the trade, you play it out, probably all the way up to the top of this candlestick, to be honest. Once you got this big green candlestick up here, you know, let me just stretch this out a little bit. We'll finish up the video with this. You know, once you got to the top of this candlestick, which was the high of the day, 4221. Now, you're not going to catch all that, obviously, but, you know, you're going to catch it's probably somewhere up to the middle of that candlestick. Right, as soon as you see it start pulling back, probably like 42.15. So from 42.02 to 42.15, looking at about 13 points. Again, not bad for more than a third of the range for the total range of the day. Yeah, really nice trade right there. Okay, hope you really enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Again, if you want to join, just click on the link in the first comment of this video. Take you over to the Discord server and just click on the subscriptions. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Happy trading, everybody. Talk to you all real soon again next time.